Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Eddy giant hauler. This unit was completely disassembled, thoroughly sandblasted and repainted. We also replaced every bearing on this unit. We checked over all of the wear components on this unit. Everything is in great shape. This unit is ready to run and perform for a long time. We had the electric motors on this unit checked over by a motor technician. They're in excellent shape and are ready to run as well. Just going to do a walk around of the unit before we fire it up and demonstrate the VFD speed controller. All right, we are going to fire the unit up for you now. Hit this green button, the unit will fire up. Now that high-pitched whine is because of the variable frequency drive. That's what VFD stands for. And if I turn this knob right here to the right, that will speed up the unit. Now that's running at full speed. The unit hums right along. There are no irregular noises. Everything runs nice and smooth. The blower fan is running as well. If I open up this gate, that gives it airflow. Now if I want to slow the unit down and adjust the speed based on the needs of what I'm hauling, I just turn the knob to the left. And that's right at 50% on the speed spectrum here. And then I can even slow it down more than that by turning it to the left. Now if I turn the knob all the way to the left, that will stop the unit. The speed is easily adjusted by the turning of this knob here. This dial is infinitely adjustable. That allows you to get the speed tailored perfectly to your needs. You can see the belts spinning around under here through the expanded metal. Everything hums along as it should. The controls are free. This hopper slides up and down and allows you to meter the flow of product into the hulling chamber. This is an all-around nice unit. It's ready to go back to work and run for a long time. All of the wear components were changed on this unit. It has brand new bearings. The motors were serviced by a motor tech. They're ready to run for a long time. Everything internally looks great as well. This is a very nice machine. Thank you for watching.